Hello YouTube, welcome to my video. In the next few minutes I'm going to show you how to instantly make your drums sound better without the need for tuning. Let's go. Okay guys, so what I'm going to show you today is how to make one of these, which is an O-ring, out of things in your house that most drummers have lying around. The main purpose of the O-ring is to take away all those extra vibrations in the drum, all those frequencies that we don't particularly like to hear. You can just whack one of these on, which saves you having to tune all those little frequencies out, which can be quite difficult, especially if you've got a cheaper drum kit. Two things you're going to need: old battered drum head. You can see it's completely dead, lots of dimples in the back of it, so terrible, and a Stanley knife. Now I will just say, if you're younger than 18, the law in the UK is you have to be 18 to buy a knife. So I would say any cutting, or the cutting that we're going to do, you do get an adult to supervise you or get an adult to do it for you. Okay, so first off, I'm going to take the knife, set it its lowest setting. So you've just got a little bit of the tip sticking out. Now it is a lot easier to do this with it placed on a piece of cardboard to allow you to cut through. It's a lot easier that way. So what we're going to do is take the knife and we're going to pop it through the head, okay? And then put the knife against the rim. I'm going to follow that all the way around, so it's easier said than done, and then the rim will help us keep a pretty good circle around the outside. Now these heads are quite hard to cut, as you can see. I've got an extra bit in there, and that is for sound deadening. So we're going to follow that all the way around. So, there you go, remove that, get rid of the extra piece, get rid of the rim, no longer need that. Okay, so what you're left with is a nice circle. Now, I am going to, it's a bit dusty, it's been there that long. Now, I am going to do the next bit on cardboard, but I'll just give you a rough example of how to do it. So set it on a piece of card, and you want to go about an inch in, okay? And then you're going to follow a circle all the way around, so you're back where you started, and you should end up with a ring that's about an inch thick. So I'll just do that and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so using a box, I've taken out the middle. All I did was just follow about an inch around. Now mine's not perfect because I did it quickly for the illustration purposes, but you could draw a circle using a compass, mark it out, follow the line better using a Sharpie marker or something like that, permanent marker. Okay, so I'm just going to show you quickly the difference it makes to the drum. Tune. So you've got a nice... obviously with better tuning you can get a lot better sound out of it. I'll keep the sound files exactly how they are with no editing or anything like that. It does make a big difference. Learn how to tune your drums properly. I will be having a tutorial video on that in the future. With a proper tuned drum, this also just aids when you're doing studio work or live work. It just makes it, you can just have a lot of control over the tones that the drum is producing. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was helpful. Bye.